Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft is having a hard week this week after they started talking about having Windows become an agentic OS, which means more AI. The head of the Windows team got a lot of backlash from users and a very high quantity of posts of people being mad at Microsoft not fixing a lot of little things that are broken. Microsoft issued a blog post with, we know that there's multiple symptoms that can occur with Windows 11, 24H2, and of course, 25H2 being the same base code suffers the same thing. So there's a lot of little things that Microsoft in this blog post that I'll share in the description below are saying, yeah, we see that there are things there. And I think it is a good thing that all the backlash happened and that Microsoft is forced to come out and say, look, we're trying to fix stuff, and kind of letting Microsoft know that, Windows is important for a lot of people in doing a lot of things, and that it has to work fine. It has to work correctly from the start. And, hopefully this will maybe do a wake-up call to Microsoft itself. Plus, there's a lot of the things that they are complaining about that people are complaining about that Microsoft says, the latest update, but some of them are since, months back. There are some of the problems that people comment on that are from way back to July. Nvidia, that as a hotfix that actually was released, has actually blamed Microsoft a lot for the problem in performance. And so when another big company, which is pretty much a partner with Microsoft, starts saying, "Look, you're the problem," that means maybe you're the problem. So hopefully this will have an impact in the future updates that might fix some of the problems within Windows. Maybe they'll go a little faster in trying to fix that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.